Hey, what's up everybody, Geode here. Yeah, thinking I'm going to cut something here. As you can see, got my face shield on, got my tile set up here, or my table saw set up with my tile blade. It's a 10-inch tile blade. I just felt like cutting something open, especially with the mishap that I had last night. So I'm going to set the camera up on the tripod, see what we can get, and we'll show you here before, and hopefully we can get this in before the rain comes. Probably not. Alright, try this again, because apparently I suck at this videotaping thing with my DSLR. Apparently the last rock I just cut did not record. So, this is a geode. This is a wet dry blade. This is a 10-inch blade. This is my table saw. This has no teeth on it. It's just using the diamond coating on the corners here to actually cut the rock. I can cut this dry or I can cut this wet. Wet gives me just a little bit more smoother cut and a little bit easier. So let's try this again. I gotta make sure it's recording before I start doing something. Alrighty, as you can see here, this is what we got. Go ahead and get a little bit more close up of this. Alright, there we go. You can see just a little bit of a cavity on the other side of there. A little bit of a cavity on the other side of there. But if I was to cut that in half one more time, it would expose the cavity that's in there. Not sure what I'll do, but that is how we cut open using a table saw as a wet saw. Probably not the safest thing to do, probably not the smartest thing to do, but sometimes you just got to get creative when you don't have what you need. But hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. And I think I'm going to break open some more tonight. Y'all have a safe day and find some geodes and show them off. Geodad is getting rained on. Not really. I wanted to end my day. That's alright. Y'all have a good day.